Today I want to show you how to find the password of Wi-Fi on your computer. Okay. Today I have two ways to show you about to find the password of the Wi-Fi on your computer. Now check it. Okay, now we go to network icon on your computer, on your desktop. Right click. After that you go to click on property and go to change adapter setting. And now you can click change adapter setting. And you can see, okay, you can see icon, three icon, Bluetooth, Internet, and Wi-Fi. Okay, now you right click and click on status. And you go to wireless property. And you go to security and click on show character. Okay, this is one way. Second way, okay, now we go to the taskbar setting and Wi-Fi setting. Okay, click on Wi-Fi setting and go to all setting. Click on all setting. After that you go to network and internet. Advanced network setting. Advanced network setting. And scroll down. Click on more network adapters option. And you see Wi-Fi. You go to wireless property. And you go to security. And click on show character. Okay, ready? See you next time.